Market equilibrium. Understanding market equilibrium. Definition of market equilibrium. Condition in which the quantity of goods demanded is equal to the goods supply. Market price that allow for a quantity between supply and demand. A situation where there is no tendency for price change due to a balance between the forecast of demand and supply. Factor affecting market balance. Demand factor. Number one, price of goods and service. The effect of price on the quantity of goods demanded. The effect to change on market equilibrium, price elasticity of. Number two, consumer income. The impact of increasing income on demand for normal goods. The effect of a decrease in income of the relationship between income and consumer purchasing power. 3. Taste and preference. The influence of trend and fashion on the good impact to investing and market campaign. Change in taste caused by cultural factor. Supply factor. Number one, productivity cost. The influence of raw material cost and total products, import of labor cost and selling price. The role of overhead cost in determining supply. Number two, production technology. Production efficiency, technological information, reduction production cost with automation, dissemination of new technology and adoption in industry. Number three, government policy, impact of subsidy and taxation and on supply, rules and regulations that affect the market. The effect of tariff in external factor. Number one, state of the global economy. The effect of the global recession on the domestic market, influence of international monetary policy, the impact of the global financial crisis on market balance. Number two, demographic change, impact of population change of demand, the influence of urbanization on consumption patterns, the effect of aging population on. Number three, natural event and disaster, the impact of natural disaster of the supply chain, influence of extreme weather condition on production. Implication of natural disaster for commodity price. Type of market equilibrium. Status balance. Understanding status balance. Market equilibrium when supply outpaces demand at a specific point in time. No movement of change in market variable over that period. Fixed prices and quantity without external influence. Example of status balance. Pricing of seasonal fruit during peak production period. Ticket sales for a concurred with constant demand and supply. Rental rates in a well-regulated housing. Dynamic balance. Understanding dynamic balance. Adjustment of supply and demand over time. Prices and quantity are always changed to reach a no equilibrium. Reflects a responsive and adaptive market environment. Example of demand equilibrium. Stock market fluctuation reporting to economy new. Real estate market reaction in interest rate change. Preaching of technology product adapting to innovation. Three factor affecting technological advancement that alter production capability, change in preference and in commerce. Regulator policies and economic stock. Active action and strategy business decision. Short run versus long run equilibrium. Short run equilibrium. Short time frame adjustment in supply and demand. immediate influence of current economic conditions, typical, more volatile and less long-run equilibrium, long-term market adjustment considering capital and labor change, reflects sustainable trend and structural development, more stable and foundation. Market balance analysis. Market data analysis method. Number one, request data collection is consumer service analysis, sales history, and price level monitoring. Number two, budding data collection. This is company product data, distribution report, and warehouse inventory. And number three, market trend analysis. That is identify seasonal partners, business seasonal analysis, and forecasting future demand. Market balance application. Application of market equilibrium in auto industry. Number one, technology market equilibrium. Innovation in its impact on market balance, competition between technology companies and its impact on prices. Regulator policies to maintain healthy competition. Healthy market equilibrium, supply demand for healthy service and medicine, healthy funding, and the balance of care costs, impact of medical technology on healthy market equilibrium. And number three, financial market equilibrium. Influence of interest rates in financial market balance, demands of the stock market and bond market, financial market regulator and policy factor prediction and challenge. One, trend in change in market balance, the influence on market change, demography trend and their impact on global market, predict global supply and demand across various industries. Two, economic policy response to market instability, financial and monetary policy in maintaining the market, challenge in formulation, invest economic policy. And three, the effect of globalization on market equilibrium, the impact of international trend on domestic market balance, regional and global economy integration and its effect, multilateral cooperation in maintaining global market stability. Market balance formula. Question: Key D is equal to Key S is equal to Key E. Example. Thank you.